Approach the car with appropriate tools. Please open the bonnet and remove the motor cover. Now you can see the motor block. Look for the common rail pipe. There's a 3-pin plug characterized by an oversized nut directly on this pipe. This plug has to be a 3-pin plug by all means. Please disconnect the 3-pin plug. Insert the plug of the cable harness into the sensor. Please make sure that a clear click sound can be heard when you plug the connections. Please connect the disconnected plug of your vehicle with the counterpart of the supplied cable harness. Please connect the RaceChip Ultimate with a cable harness. The plug will only fit in one way. Assemble the cable harness with the cable ties. An assembly to already existing harnesses would be advantageous.